When you think of Bali, you probably picture swaying palms, emerald rice terraces, and that specific shade of turquoise water that looks like it has a built-in Instagram filter. But here's the thing. Bali has grown up. It's no longer just a backpacker's trail. It is home to some of the most architectural, soul-stirring, and frankly, mind-blowing resorts on the planet. Today, we're counting down the 10 best resorts in Bali for 2026. We aren't just looking at thread counts and infinity pools, though there are plenty of those. We're looking at the places that offer a true, once-in-a-lifetime experience. Whether you want to hang over a limestone cliff in Uluwatu or wake up to the sounds of the Ayang River in Ubud, one of these is going to be your next must-stay. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the epicenter of Bali's social scene, the W Bali in Seminyak. If you're looking for a quiet, meditative retreat where you whisper to the trees, this is not it. This is where the party is. From the moment you drive through the iconic bamboo tunnel entrance, you're in a world of whatever whenever service. The pool here is modeled after Balinese rice paddies, but instead of farmers, you've got world-class DJs and some of the best mixologists in the game. It's vibrant, it's chic, and it's perfect for those who want luxury with a side of nightlife. At number 9, we head south to Nusa Dua, to a resort that looks more like a modern-day Balinese palace than a hotel. The Apurva Kempinski is massive, built into a cliffside like a majestic stone amphitheater. The architecture here is a tribute to the Majapahit kingdom, featuring hand-carved woodwork and soaring ceilings. But the real showstopper? The Coral Restaurant, Bali's first aquarium dining experience. You can literally eat world-class seafood while a reef shark drifts past your table. It's grand, it's theatrical, and it's unlike anything else on the island. Now, if your style is more Bond villain's secret lair, number 8 is for you. Alila Villas Uluwatu is a masterclass in minimalist design. Perched on the very edge of a limestone cliff in the Bukit Peninsula, the resort is famous for its iconic overhanging sunset cabana. It's all about clean lines, recycled wood, and sustainable luxury. Every single room is a villa with its own private pool and a butler who seems to know you're thirsty before you even do. It's the ultimate spot for a honeymoon or a high-end escape, where the only thing louder than the wind is the sound of the Indian Ocean crashing hundreds of feet below. Moving into the heart of the jungle for number 7, the Hanging Gardens of Bali. You've probably seen this one on your feed. It's home to what is frequently voted the best swimming pool in the world, a twin-tiered infinity pool that mimics the curves of the surrounding hills. Staying here feels like living in a luxury treehouse. You have to take a funicular to get around the property because it's so steeply built into the rainforest. It's misty, it's romantic, and it's the definition of Ubud vibes. Coming in at number 6 is a place for the adventurers who don't want to sacrifice their 5-star comforts. Capella Ubud isn't just a hotel, it's a luxury tented camp designed by the legendary Bvlgari. Inspired by the early European settlers of the 1800s, these tents feature hand-hammered copper tubs, outdoor decks, and private saltwater pools. There wasn't a single tree cut down during the construction of this resort, so you are truly nestled deep in the Kempinski Valley. It's quirky, it's immersive, and it's pure magic. Before we get to our top 5, I want to make sure your planning is as stress-free as your vacation. Check the description below for everything you'll need for the perfect trip. I've included direct links to all the resorts mentioned today, along with a free travel planner that you can download right now. Yes, it's completely free and designed to help you map out your Bali itinerary so you don't miss a single sunset. Opening our top 5 is Mandapa. In the world of Ritz-Carlton, a reserve property is the highest tier possible, and Mandapa proves why. Located in Ubud along the AYANA River, this resort feels like a traditional Balinese village. They even have their own working rice paddies on site. The service here is legendary. You don't just get a butler, you get a padi, a royal assistant who curates every second of your stay. Whether it's a private dinner in a kubu, a bamboo cocoon, by the river, or a soul-cleansing ritual with a local healer, Mandapa is about deep connection and quiet opulence. At number 4, we go back to the cliffs of Uluwatu for the Bvlgari resort. This is where Italian high fashion meets Balinese soul. The resort is built using hand-cut volcanic stones and rich exotic woods, sitting 150 meters above the sea. It even has its own private beach accessible only by a cliffside elevator. It's sophisticated, exclusive, and carries that unmistakable European Dolce Vita energy, but with a warm Balinese smile. If you want to feel like royalty, this is the place. Our number 3 spot goes to a resort that might actually change your life. Como Shambhala Estate is less of a hotel and more of a residential health retreat. Hidden in the forest north of Ubud, it's built around a source, a natural holy spring that the locals have used for centuries. They have resident Ayurvedic doctors, nutritionists, and world-class yoga instructors. The food is designed to nourish you, and the villas are massive estates shared by only a few guests. It's the ultimate destination for a digital detox and a total system reboot. Taking the silver medal is a resort that has topped world's best lists for decades, the Four Seasons at Sayan. The entrance alone is worth the trip. You walk across a dramatic wooden footbridge suspended high above the treetops into a massive lotus-shaped rooftop pond. From there, you descend into the resort. It's an architectural marvel that feels like it's being reclaimed by the jungle. It's peaceful, iconic, and offers a level of privacy that's hard to find anywhere else. And finally, taking the number 1 spot for the best resort in Bali is the legendary AYANA resort in Jimbaran. Why AYANA? Because it offers the most complete Bali experience in one place. Spread across 90 hectares, this estate gives you access to 14 swimming pools, the world-famous rock bar, literally built onto the rocks over the ocean, and the incredible thalassotherapy spa. Whether you stay at the classic AYANA, the ultra-luxe villas, or the chic Rimba, you get the best of everything: sunset views, white sand beaches, and world-class dining. It is the gold standard for Balinese hospitality. Bali is more than just a destination, it's a feeling. And whether you're looking for a jungle sanctuary or a clifftop palace, these 10 resorts represent the very best the Island of the Gods has to offer. If this video helped you narrow down your dream vacation, do me a huge favor, like share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified every time I release a new video. It really helps the channel out, and I've got plenty more travel guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.